Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Tim. This is New Craft Workshop. Since I started my channel here on YouTube a few months ago, I've been approached by over a dozen companies looking to partnership with us and send us some product in return for some reviews. And I have been extremely picky with who I've wanted to partner up with, and I've been even more picky with who I've actually chosen to commit to. Today, I want to talk to you about one company that when I received this product, I absolutely joined up immediately. So, Basecamp dust masks. I have been using a competitor's mask in my shop for about 2 years, and my biggest complaint with that mask was the fit. Everybody is different, so everyone is going to have a different opinion on this matter. I'm only here today to share with you what I feel. So today we're going to look at two masks from Basecamp. This is their M series, and this is their N series. This is the one I use currently in my shop. 99.6% dust filtration. All of their masks have removable filters that come off easily when you unscrew your valve. Mask comes off, easy to replace. The mask itself is washable, hand washable. Don't stick it in the washing machine. Hand washable, extremely comfortable on both of these. Tell you a couple differences real quick and tell you which one I prefer. So this mask has an extra strap that goes over the top of your head. The fit on this mask is extremely tight because of the 2 points. And as you'll be able to tell, you'll still be able to hear me talking through this mask, and I'll get to that in just a second. That's actually one of the features I really love. But this particular mask, it fits extremely tight. Now, that being said, I will tell you, it's also very comfortable. I do like the fact that I'm able to stick my safety glasses underneath this particular strap, kind of helps hold them in place. And because my ears are exposed, I do have access to continually use my ear protection comfortably and keep a nice tight seal around my ears while wearing this mask. Now, this other mask, the N series, goes on a little bit different way, and they've given us these cutouts here to go over our ears. The way this thing fits is you just stretch it around, and because it's made of neoprene, it's extremely soft and it's extremely flexible. For me, this particular mask is a better fit. It is extremely tight around my cheeks and around my chin, but I feel like I can still breathe in this mask. That was one of the problems I had in some other masks that I've tried here in my shop. If you're not comfortable, whether it's tennis shoes or a ball cap, you're not going to wear something. And I caught myself more often than not wearing my dust mask unless it was an extended period of things like sanding. This has been extremely comfortable. I actually have two of these in my shop. I keep one by my table saw, one by my miter saw, and between the two of them, I always have my mask handy. I'm sure you can still hear me talking. I feel like I can breathe in this mask, although it is extremely tight-fitting. And the way this mask is designed, it does not interfere with either of my protection on my eyes. And because of the cutouts in the earpieces, same as the other mask, it allows me to wear my hearing protection, in my case, my headphones, without feeling like anything is going to fall off my head. Everything seems to be stable and stationary. If you do not have a mask currently in your shop, regardless of what type you buy, you need a mask. However, if you're going to buy a mask, buy something that's comfortable that you're going to wear. Removable filters. I change my filters every 2 to 4 weeks depending on how often I am in my shop. You'll be able to tell when they need changing because they get dirty. This thing captures a lot of particulate matter. Valves are replaceable if they're ever damaged. You can order those online as well. I do like this flexible nose piece. You can kind of pinch this down and it'll stay tighter on your nose. The N series, by far, this is my go-to mask here in my shop, but you might like the M series. So give them both a try. As a partner of Basecamp, we have been given a promotional code for you guys today. Head over to their website, and in that promo line, use our code right here on the screen, NewCraft10. That's going to get you 10% off anything you purchase directly from Basecamp. There are other purchasing options available. As we all know, these products are also available on Amazon. I have given you a link down below to the N and the M mask, as well as some replacement filters. I do videos like this, guys, to help support our channel. I know some of you guys hate watching these promo videos, these commercial type videos. I get it. But I told you guys very early on in our channel that I would only recommend things to you guys if they met two criteria for New Craft Workshop. One, it has to be a product that we actually utilize here in our shop. Number two, it has to be something that I trust and believe in. I do not ever plan on nor want to recommend anything to you guys on that end that you are going to be disappointed in. We are growing a really wonderful community here at New Craft Workshop, and I want you guys to have the best available equipment in your shop at the most economical price. Check out these masks today. You're going to be glad you did.